Hello, I'm David Wood. I'm a Zoom guest, and I'm going to make a Zoom game. I like working with tools. I think when I grow up, I might even be a crafts teacher. I like to feel the wood and touch it. I really like to try to tell them apart because of the smell. And for this game, I used pine, and pine has its own smell. It's very soft wood and very easy to work with. Well, I like to work with tools a lot. My father has some big tool chest down cellar, and he lets me work around with different tools all the time, and I really like working with them. Just once more. I'm printing numbers with a braille label maker to put on each side of the spinner to play a game. Okay. Now, you're 100,
Yeah.
25, 50, and 75. Okay, here we go. If you want to know how to make this game and what some of the rules are, send to Zoom Box 350 Boston, and I'll send you some instructions on how to do it. Good Toppy. And it's 75, Alan's number.